What am I playing today? I'm playing a weird fidget game. Remote fidget. What is this? What is that? Let me fix it up. Who cares? Yo, this makes a weird sound though. How can I use a fidget? How can I play with a fidget when I'm not? Ha 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 ha. How could you possibly lose at a game like that? Is there more on the other side? No, heck. What is this? I knew that was a button. Bro, the nose, like, it shaped like a cup. Oh, you know, it's only funny when... Oh, that was it. Here? Oh my god. No, not this. First gear. I think I like myself over to the reverse, and 5, then put it in the center. I can do that when I don't, and then push it up to accelerate, put it down to you know, pause the position. So of course, who messes with the shifter this much? Why does it have to be a tortoise? Yeah, what?
Jingle bells, jingle bells.
Jingle, get away from me. I don't like you, you're so dumb that I don't want to see you. All it does, is push down this. The turtle comes out, not that cool. I hate it. It's not good. Good.